Sorry about that.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Greer County in southwest Oklahoma, eastern Beckham County in western Oklahoma, until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:19 p.m. Central Standard Time, National Weather Service radar indicated a severe thunderstorm 11 miles west of Willow, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazards in the warning include hail up to the size of golf balls, wind gusts to 60 miles an hour. Locations in the warning include Brinkman, Carter, Delhi, Elk City, Simon Willow. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 18 and 41. Severe thunderstorms can produce tornadoes with no advance warning. Move immediately to a storm shelter, basement or sturdy building if a tornado is sighted. The National Weather Service in Norman